Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. My pleasure to be with you again, and this time, end of the month, we are going to discuss few majors. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to euro dollar, and that's gonna be very interesting. So watch out carefully and listen very carefully what we are going to talk about. All right, now let's have a look what we have when it comes to the monthly close. Why is so important? Okay, that's quite easy. Let's have a look what we have here. Let's have a look what we've seen here. Alright, let's have a look this price action and these two as well. That one, the price action over here, and where we are right now. So because it's a monthly chart, of course we are going to place what? We are going to place the red line. So let's change the color. Okay, so that's the monthly chart, and we are above this significant level, and we have something else. Let's have a look. That was the swing high. That was the highest close. And the level from here. Alright? Plus this upper shadow. Can we agree that we can place the line, another one, like this? Okay, more or less. So when it comes to the monthly chart, that's the huge monster demand zone. Alright, when it comes to the supply zone, I think the first very visible is going to be here. That's what we've tested this month. Check this out where we've been. There you go. Alright, so let's switch lower. Let's have a look what we have on a weekly chart. This time we are going to use the blue color when it comes to the weekly chart. Alright, and I have critical level over here, 1350. Blue, weekly, boom. So that could be important level. Why? What we might see here is one, two, one, two, one. Are you following me or no? One, one, one. So if you are strong dollar seller, aggressive, I would say semi-aggressive, that's your level to buy euro dollar, right? Then we have one level lower, close to 1180, 1350 ish, 1170 ish as a strong, in my opinion, strong demand levels. Alright, what we are talking about when it comes to the supply? Well, I think that I'm not gonna be wrong if I'm going to place the line around 1940-20. In that case, why do I think is a level of the supply 1950-20? Well, because we have some kind of the supply. We have to take out these stops, we have to hit that levels and see the rejection, then we can continue to the downside. Alright, so overall, taking into consideration what we have here on the euro dollar, yes, I strongly believe we are going to see lower levels because there is nothing here, right? Guys, there is nothing here. And market doesn't like the empty spaces. Nothing here. So the buyers are down 1350, 1170, and the sellers are above 1950 towards 120. That's how I see the things in the medium term when it comes to the Euro-dollar monthly and weekly chart. Next one. Okay. Cable. What a beauty. What is going on? Well, still the Brexit top is in play, right? Why? Because we've seen the test once, we've seen the test twice, 3 times, and we've seen the rejection. All right. So we know based on the monthly chart what the supply is. Once and twice. That's the whole supply. All right. Now, what about the demand? Okay, we do have a demand based on what we've seen here and here. All right. So that's the demand zone. 34.30, 32.70. That's the zone. Why? Well, because we've seen the rejection quite a few times here, right? Come on, guys. That's how I see the things on the cable. All right, let's have a look what you have on a weekly chart. Boom. Now, on the weekly, I think that even if we are going to break that zone, we might see 130 as a strong, significant demand level. So, medium term, as long as we are above 130, we get a chance to see the retest of levels close to 140. Well, that's quite good one. So medium term, guys, we are trading 140, 130 when it comes to the cable. And the last one, there you go. Monthly. Dollar yen. Oh, yeah. Hit me, baby, one more time, right? Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, maybe twice. So, when it comes to the monthly chart, 123, 125, huge, significant, monster, whatever you wanna call it, supply zone. But before we are going to reach that level, we have to fight with 117.50. That's also monster significant supply zone. Now, what about the demand? Okay, there you go. That from where we made lower low. Whoa, that's one. So, where is the demand? Around 100 and 105, ladies and gents. So as of now, I would look for this here, here, and here. Stop hand and move down to 105, 100. Well, if we are going to break, that's very significant. Why? Because we have to take into the consideration the size of this consolidation, right? So we have 100 to 115. Okay, so if we are going to break to the upside through 115, where is the target? Well, very easy. 130. Target number 1. Okay, now let's discuss target number 2. That's gonna be very, very interesting. Why? Because if we are going to break 125 and we are going to make the measure to the downside of 1.75. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. You are going to get this target the very first time. No one is talking about that. So long-term target, dollar yen. As long as we are after the breakout, we are going to stay above 125. That's key. Guys, one more time. That was the move to the downside. We know where supply is. That's what we are going to trade, right? But if we are going to grow and move through the roof, and the roof is 125, the bottom is 75, 175 is long-term target. Only on a weekly and monthly close above 125. That's the key point. With that being said, guys, wish you great next trading day. See you around, take care and goodbye.